Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Prince Talha Photography. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a perfect wedding tone. So let's start. First of all, I am going to make the minor adjustments of the photo. First we adjust the size, and then we will be retouching our skin and some face tone. After that we will be able to retouch the photo with its color grading and make a wedding tone. So let's move a bit fast. So guys, finally we are done with the final adjustments, and now we are going to color grade this photo. So first of all, I would like to show you what we have done. These are the minor adjustments which we have done. This contains the increase of frame rate, and frame of photo, and some spots on skin were removed. So let's start our grading. First of all, I'm going to camera raw filter. By selecting camera filter, you are going to show such type of interface in front of you. Wait a bit for it. So we are going to make a small adjustment. Like in basics, we are going to decrease highlights and a white color in the photo. So guys, I'm going to tell you that by camera filter we are not going to make a wedding tone. We are going to make wedding tone by using gradient map. So hit OK, and let it complete. Now we are going to select gradient map for it, and here is gradient map. And now I'm going to make a manual wedding tone using gradient map. So just click on it, click on gradient, and we are now going to choose the color of highlights and midtone and shadows. So click on it. Here we are going to take some bluish color tone, not more highlight, not more shadows. It should be mid-tone type. It's more bluish, and it is So here it is, and here we are going to choose the other one, that is highlights of the photo. We are going to put some yellowish or orange color, a bit orangish color grading in it. So now I think you are able to watch what actually we are making. So adjust it a bit orange, about f something. You can make it manually, but I am making it according to my choice, which our photo requires. And here is it, a bit here. So we are going to hit OK. So it is ready. Hit OK, and OK again. So the main thing here is we are going to change the blend mode to soft light. Look, that's a very fantastic type of color grade, and you can adjust its opacity and fill. Also you can change its blend mode to another, make it overlay or screen. So you can also adjust it's more bluish, so make it lighter. Okay, so I think it's really fantastic. So more saturation, so we will decrease its opacity to around about 80 or something according to your choice. So that's it. We are not going to change it anymore. So if you like this video, make sure that thumb up, and comment below if there is any fault in this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss the any video from my channel. Thanks for watching.